So now we will create our own APIs. How to create our own APIs? So to do this, you need to have certain softwares. Okay, so you need to have Node.js, and within Node.js you will have npm, which is Node Package Manager, and also you need to have JSON Server. So these two things you have to install if you wanted to create your own API. Okay, so how do we do this? First of all, you have to download the Node.js. If you download Node.js and install, automatically npm also will get loaded. So what I'm going to do is go to your browser, download Node.js for Windows, and go to this website, and see here you will have an option for Windows, Mac, Linux. Based upon your OS, you select the environment and then click on select the respective version 64-bit, and then you select the Windows installer .msi file. So once that is done, you will be able to see that software is downloaded. Okay, so let's double click on this, and then it will bring you this window, and you just click on next button and then accept, and then click on next. And you no need to change any path here. Make use of the default and click on next, and see here npm package is there. And so if you look at, this is the default one. You no need to change anything here, and click on next button. And see here, some npm modules need to be compiled from C++ when installing. If you want to be able to install such modules such as Python and Visual Studio build tools need to be installed. So you have to select if you wanted to do that. It may take too much time for us to installation. Whenever we require, we may install it later point of time. At this point of time, I'm unchecking this, and then click on next button, and then click on install. And then it will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on yes, and automatically the Node.js will be installed. So once the installation is done, you have to ensure that the environment variables, see, the installation is done. So the environment variables are set properly or not, we have to check. So click on finish, and then go to your this PC and right click, go to properties, and then you will have an option to check the environment variables. Go here and then see environment variables, and here under system and variables you will see the path. So here you just click on edit. By default it will add the Node.js path where exactly your Node.js is installed. See program files Node.js under Node.js modules, and see program files and Node.js. So this is the path variable for Node.js. So let me show you where exactly it is installed. Go to C drive, program files. Under that you will have a Node.js folder and Node modules, and also you have your Node modules and then Node.js folder. Okay, so that's how the path variables are set. So now if at all that is not there, you have to ensure that, okay, you will be taking this path, copy, and then go to your environment variables. You have to click on new and you have to add like this. So since it is already there, you no need to check the Node.js path and Node.js modules path. Okay, click on OK, and then click on OK, and then OK. So now I will check whether the installation is proper or not. Go to CMD and then click here node space hyphen hyphen version. It will tell me whether the Node.js version is properly installed or not. v22.14.0. And if you wanted to check the npm is installed properly or not, npm hyphen hyphen version, then it will show you whether that is installed properly or not. 10.9.2. Okay, now I wanted to install the uh, JSON server. So to do that, you need to have a command npm space install space hyphen z space JSON server. So this is the command you have to give, copy, and then click on enter. It will take couple of minutes and then you will be able to see the JSON server is installed on your system. So this is how you will be able to do the setup for creating your own APIs. Okay, see, it is checking for the packages and it is trying to install all the required packages. So npm fund. So let's say I just checked whether the JSON server is installed properly or not. JSON hyphen server and then give space hyphen hyphen version. See, 1.0.0 hyphen beta dot 3, that means my JSON server is working properly. So this is how you will be able to set up the JSON server into your system.